In the last video, we study about the geometric mean theorem of geometric mean. After that, we study about the Pythagoras theorem. The name of the chapter is Pythagoras theorem. So we study about Pythagoras theorem. In the last video, we studied the only statement in a right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So, but today we have to prove this theorem. It is very important theorem for the examination point of very important theorem. Always asked in the exam. So you have to prepare very well. So listen very carefully. In a right angle triangle. So first of all you have to draw right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. ABC. This is a right angle triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is a given right angled triangle. In this way, we can write right angle triangle is given. What you have to prove? The square of the hypotenuse. Square of the hypotenuse. Here is hypotenuse. This is a 90-degree angle. So side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So AC square. To prove, काय सिद्ध करायचं आपल्याला? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So in this way, first two part complete, given and to prove. But we have to construct here. So construction, draw segment BD. Draw segment BD. This is segment BD. Segment BD perpendicular to on segment AC. Segment AC or hypotenuse AC. AC is the hypotenuse. So in this way we have to construct. So now after that we have to write the proof. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Angled triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and segment BD perpendicular to segment AC. By construction, you have to write this. These two conditions are very important while proving this theorem. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and segment BD is perpendicular to the segment AC. So, असं जर असेल तर सिमिलॅरिटी अँड राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल मध्ये in similarity and right angle triangle, what we have studied, the triangles formed in right angle triangle are always similar with these two triangles, triangle BDC and triangle ADB is similar with the triangle ABC. याचा अर्थ काय होतं की जर असं ट्रायंगल असेल इथे परपेंडिक्युलर काढलेला असेल तर या परपेंडिक्युलर मुळे तयार होणारे दोन त्रिकोण आणि मूळ त्रिकोण हे सिमिलर असतात. मग कोणते कोणते मूळ सिमिलर असतात? देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABC is similar with triangle ADB, similar with the triangle BDC. Reason? Similarity in right angle triangle. Similarity in right angled triangle. Similarity in right angle triangle. So in this way, these two triangles are similar. What we have to do? We have to take two pairs. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar with the triangle ADB. If these two triangles are similar, take two pairs, this pair, after that this pair, and do this. Okay. So if these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, side AB divided by AD is equal to BC divided by DB is equal to AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. So AB divided by AD, BC divided by DB, and AC divided by AB. One written corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are in proportion. If the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion. You have to take these two ratios. Therefore, AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AB. Perform the cross multiplication. Therefore, AB into AB square is equal to AC into AD. Give number 1. Okay. Now take second pair, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar with the triangle. Triangle ABC is similar with triangle BDC. Therefore, if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB divided by BD is equal to BC divided by DC is equal to AC divided by BC. What is the reason? Corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, so leave this, take these two ratios. So BC divided by DC is equal to AC divided by BC. So perform the cross multiplication. Therefore, BC into BC square is equal to AC into DC. After the cross multiplication, we get this. This is number 2. So adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. In this way, we can prove the theorem. So add left hand side in left hand side and right hand side in right hand side. So we will get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. So AC is common. So AC, what is remaining? AC into AD plus DC. AD plus DC. So I write here. So AC is equal to AC into what we get? AD plus DC. See here, AD plus DC is equal to AC. Look at the figure. AD plus DC is equal to AC hoto. So AC into AC. So it is AC square. Therefore, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. We can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is your proof. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, do you understand? In this way, we can prove the Pythagoras theorem by using the theorem similarity in right angle triangles. Okay, do you understand? Thank you.
बंद को लेकर लगता है.